Hello friend, ever had that moment when your hydraulic jack decided to take a vacation right when you need it? Well, today my son Archie and I are fixing this stubborn jack before it makes us regret our life choices. It's very cold outside, so we will take it inside to repair it. Alright, here's our troublemaker, a floor jack that won't lift properly. Either it's weak, spongy, or just not lifting at all. Basically, it's being a drama queen. Archie, you ready to get your hands dirty?
Do I really have a choice?
Let's go. It's not going on. Okay, let's work on it.
Wow, this is about as strong as me after a week without the gym.
Good. What's the culprit? Air bubble in the hydraulic system or low fluid level? Let's fix this before it starts asking for therapy, right? Okay, for that we need hydraulic jack oil, flathead screwdriver and star screwdriver, and the rag to clean, and some patience which Archie may not have.
You mean you'll make a mess?
Yes.
First one you do is remove 4 screws. These 2 here and the same 2 on the other side.
Need some help, Arch?
No, it's okay, I got it. Using an Allen key, unscrew this over here.
Got a lot of air in there. You hear the air
Yeah.
coming out? So we need to release the air. Yeah, see? Now let's slowly pour in the hydraulic jack oil. Don't overfill it or you will have more mess. Now that our jack is full and fresh energy juice, it's time to bleed out the air bubbles. Think of it like burping a baby, except this baby lifts car. Put the plug back in. Tight. Really, Archie?
Yes, we can find.
Oh, okay. Alright, let's see. Wanna give it a try?
Sure.
Let's see. And
Let's see
just
how
like
it
that,
goes.
our jack is back in action. No more lazy jack. Oh, well done, Archie. You did it. It's not going down now.
Yeah.
Stays up, right? Good job, Arch.
Thank you.
Okay, let's try putting some weight on it. You okay there, buddy?
If this is not work out, I'll be ripped by now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
But you did it. It works now.
Yeah.
Let's try putting some weight on it. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lift off. So there you have it. If your jack's acting lazy, give it some fresh fluid and pump out the air. If only fixing people's laziness was that easy.
Now this is to the
You made a good mess out here. Archie is 14-year-old. Please let me know in comment if there is any kid around his age is watching this video. Not you, Archie, the truck. Just every day you say.
I know, but there's no break to
No leverage.
it.
You haven't tried?
What?
You haven't tried? Yeah. Yeah, see. Now I can even lift that hammer, right?
Yeah.
Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us what's the worst DIY mess you have ever made. See you in the next adventure.